Good afternoon, student. I am Ovi Ashish Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed what is IoT, IoT evolution, history of IoT, and what is the function of IoT. Now, in this video, we discuss the IoT architecture. Before going to the IoT architecture, first we know that uh, what is the key building blocks of IoT. The key building blocks of IoT consist of smart things, networks, middleware, application. The smart things which is connected to the network layer through the gateway, the network layer which is connected to the middleware layer, and the middleware layer which is connected to the application layer. Smart things, networks and gateway. Smart things means networks and gateway, enabling low power device to enter the big internet. Next, middleware or IoT platform, providing data storage space and advanced computing engines along with analytic capabilities. Next is application, allowing end user to benefit from IoT and manipulate the physical world. Next, architecture of IoT. This is the main or core function of this is the main point of our video. IoT architecture. These elements make up the backbone of any IoT system upon which effective multi-layer architecture can be developed. Most commonly, these layers are prescription layer, connectivity or transport layer, processing layer, and application layer. The prescription layer that hosting a smart things, connectivity or transport layer transferring data from physical layer to the cloud and vice versa network and gateway. Next, the processing layer employing IoT platform to accumulate and manage all the data stream. And last one is application layer, delivering solution like analytic and reporting. This is the diagram of 7-layer diagram of architecture of IoT, which is consist of 7 layer. In order to understand the functionality of IoT system, it is important to know that there are 7 layers on which it operates. Here we discuss in brief all these 7 layers along with their function in an IoT system. The following are the layers of 7-layer architecture. First, physical device, connectivity, edge computing, data accumulation, data abstraction, application, and calibration. Let's discuss all these layers one by one. First, physical device layer, converting analog signal into a digital data and vice versa. This is the main function of physical device layer. The initial stage of any IoT system embraces a wide range of things or endpoint device that acts as a bridge between the real and digital world. The physical equipment like a controller falls into the first layer of 7-layer architecture. The things in Internet of Things is referred to these physical devices as they are responsible for sending and receiving data. Next layer is connectivity. Enabling data transmission, it is the main function of connectivity layer. The second level is in charge all communication across device, networks and cloud services that make up the IoT infrastructure. It connects with the device of first layer. It implements the protocol according to the compatibility of various devices. Next layer is edge computing layer. Reducing system latency. This is the main function of edge computing layer. This level is essential for enabling IoT system to meet the speed, security and scale requirement of 5th generation mobile networks or 5G. The new wireless standard promise faster speed, lower latency and ability to handle many more connected devices than the current 4G standard. Edge computing is used for data formatting, which makes sure that the succeeding layer can make sense of data sets. Next is, this is the diagram of edge computing. Here the IoT devices connected to the IoT devices through a network which is edge computing network, which is also a private, public or hybrid networks. Next layer is processing layer. The main function of processing layer is making a raw data useful. Raw data useful making, this is the function of processing layer. The processing layer accumulates, store, and process data that comes from the previous layer. All these tasks are commonly handled via IoT platform and include two major stages. First, data accumulation, and second, data abstraction. This is the two layer of our layered architecture diagram of IoT. Next, data accumulation stage. The real-time data is captured via APL and put at rest to meet the requirements of non-real-time application. The data accumulation component stage work as the hub between event-based data generation and query-based data computation. The data abstraction consists of sensors that is ever charging. Hence, it is the fourth layer which is responsible for required conversion. Next layer is data abstraction stage. Here, data presentation is finalized so that consumer application can use it to generate insights. The entire process involves the following steps. First, combining data from different sources, both IoT and non-IoT, including ERAM, ERP, and CRM system. Next, record cycling multiple data format, originating data in one place or making it accessible regardless of location through the data. The data abstraction layer, the relevant data is processed from the addressing specifying property preventing to the storage data. Next layer is application layer, addressing business requirement. This is the main function of application layer. At this layer, information is analyzed by the software to give an answer to key business question. There are hundreds of IoT applications that vary in complexity and function using different topologies, technologies, stacks, and operating systems. Some examples are device monitoring and control software, mobile apps for simple interaction, business intelligence services, and last one is analytic solution using machine learning. The purpose of an application layer is data processing. Main purpose of application layer is data processing. So all the IoT modules can access data. Software and hardware layer are linked with this later. Data encryption is carried out for generating reports. Hence, business intelligence comprises a major part of this layer. And last layer is calibration layer. It is also known as business layer. Implementing data-driven solution. It is the main function of calibration layer. The information generated at the previous layer thinks value is only it result in a problem-solving solution and achieving business goals. New data must initialize calibration between the enhanced productivity. In this layer, response or the action are offered to provide assistance for the given data. As in practical case, we describe the above 7-layer IoT architecture in a following way in the next video. Thank you. Keep watching my video.